Hey friends, I'm Gigi, and today we're going to learn about a super fun experiment, the Seesaw experiment. Look, I have a rabbit and an elephant toy. Let's see which one goes down and which one goes up. The elephant is heavy, that's why it went down. The rabbit is light, so it went up.
This is called balance. When the weights are not equal, one side goes down and the other side goes up.
Wow! When I changed the center, the balance also changed.
Engineers call this adjusting the fulcrum, the point of support that decides how balance shifts.
If an object is heavier, place it closer to the center, and if it's lighter, place it farther away.
Exactly! So it's not just about weight, it's also about position. Great job, Matho! Now it's your turn. You can make your own mini seesaw at home using books, a wooden plank, and a round bottle. Then try this. If one side has 2 apples and the other side has 1 mango, which side will go down? Next time, we'll see the magic of magnets and learn how they attract things. Let's go, STEM stars!